How come you're late? Oh, you don't stop me. These guys saved my life. Meet my new boys, Jack and Jerry.
Is it on? Is it taking video? Okay.
Sorry. Really? These two kids took down a couple of thugs? Good. If you're his bodyguards, you're also his babysitters. Here's his schedule.
All right, let's see what's on tap for today. We have a sound check.
Right, done. What's next?
Photo shoot, radio interview, approved jewelry.
Let me see that. I've got a better idea.
This is awesome!
How do you know when it's time to pull the ripcord? Oh, good idea. I should probably do it now. That can be good.
Keep going. You don't have a lot of space.
Dragging 6 super combos out here. And where is my woodchucking sleeping bag?
I don't even know what that means.
I don't know what it means either, but I want my ding-dang falafel balls. Eddie, the drive-thru has been backed up all morning. We don't have a drive-thru. I keep giving food to someone out the kitchen window.
Rudy, your meditation ring is red. What does that mean?
It means that I'm under a lot of stress. Or I'm pregnant. Either way, if my water breaks, you're driving me to the hospital.
Why don't we just quit?
But we can't quit. Phil would lose all of his business to Falafel Francos.
Guys, I was going to the kitchen and look what I found. An automatic falafel ball maker. Hey, great. Plug it in.
Hang on. Will a machine ever be able to handcraft falafel balls with the same love, tradition, and care that our customers have come to expect from us?
It makes 1,000 balls an hour.
Let's plug that bad boy in.
Oh, man, what a day.
The skydiving was crazy.
You know, you could have planned out where we were going to land.
Oh, I did. We were the hit of that rodeo.
Did you see the look on the bull's face when Jerry landed on it? Yeah, I saw it.
There you are. Do you realize your show starts in 5 minutes? Let's go. We gotta hurry. Oh, Jared. Hey, let's go find out where Izzy wants us to end the show.
You guys aren't going anywhere. Playtime's over.
What?
You're not bodyguards. You're just 14-year-old punks looking to hang around with a rock star. Well, it's over. You're fired.
You can't fire us. We work for Izzy, not his backup singer.
I'm not a backup. I'm the guy who started this band and the one who should be the lead singer. Get him out of here. Okay, 3 things. 1, I'm not leaving this room. 2, there is no way I'm giving up this swag jacket. And 3, we're outside, aren't we?
All right, guys. We made enough falafel balls for the dinner rush. Turn it off.
Okay. Idea? You must have a battery or something. Maybe the sleeper will work.
Oh, this isn't good.
It makes the machine go faster.
We gotta find some other containers.
There are no other containers. We can't let any more hit the floor.
My meditation ring's gone. It must have got mixed in the batter. Which means it's in one of these holes.
Oh, there's too much pressure. I'm gonna blow.
You're not gonna blow. Help me find my ring. That's the priority.
Not in the right space.
Man, this stinks. I told every girl I know I was going to have Izzy scream their name from stage.
How can you do that?
Well, when Izzy screams, you can't understand a thing he's saying. Listen. Was that Vicky, Kim, or Lori? Look.
Those are the same guys who jumped Izzy. Do you know what this means?
Yeah. They came to apologize.
Still not in
They're
white
here to finish
space.
the job, and Lars just let him in.
White
He's the one who hired
space!
them to hurt Izzy. Dude, we gotta get inside.
How?
In the white space needs to be fixed. In the white space needs
All
to
right,
be
people,
fixed.
remember.
In the white space
the
needs to
lucky
be
ring
fixed.
gets
In the white
$100.
space needs to be
Did you guys find it? You guys hear it?
Wow.
This doesn't make sense. We've collected and sold every falafel ball we made.
Not that one. My ring. It's gotta be in there. Don't you do
No,
it,
no,
you bearded falafel ball eater.
Chad, nope. Line him up.
Just in time. The brain stopped the lightning.
Forget the song. We have to find the guys who attacked Izzy.
Ta-da!